Hello, people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary, and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about smartphones. I think I might have talked about this topic previously before, but I can't remember, so I'm still going to talk about this nevertheless. Um, Smartphones. Smartphone screens are becoming bigger and bigger, and a lot of tech reviewers are complaining about the fact that smartphone screens have become too big. Now we have 6.2 inch, 6.4 inch, 6.7 inch screens, and people are saying that at the end of the day, smartphone screens, too big smartphone screens are not the way to go, and people are kind of angry about that because they want a device that is easier to handle with one hand, and there would be more one hand functionality on a smaller phone compared to a phone which is 6.7 inches, which has a 6.7 inch screen. So yeah, people want smaller real estate on the screen side of the smartphones, but I disagree. There are a lot of people who basically use smartphones as their primary entertainment device. A lot of people, there are a lot of people who just do not use a traditional computer that much as they used to, and a lot of people are doing most of their tasks on smartphones. So a lot of people who are spending a huge chunk or maybe the majority of their time on smartphones, using those smartphones, I think those people would basically want a bigger screen. They would enjoy a bigger screen. Yes, maybe that would be, they would have to compromise, or they would have to give up their one hand functionality, but it has never been a, you know um, but I guess it has never been a problem for many people. There are people who would prefer a smaller phone because they have access to, or they have other devices at home as well, like a traditional desktop, and other devices that are there at their disposal as well. But there are a lot of people who just do not want to get into all that hassle and just want to use the smartphone for each and every purpose in their lives. And for those people, I would say that it would make very much sense to actually move to or actually use a smartphone with bigger dimensions, a smartphone with a bigger screen real estate. So sorry for that. It was just electricity disturbance, but power disturbance. Or yeah. So the point that I was trying to make is that at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what some tech. I guess it doesn't matter what some tech reviewers think. I think at the end of the day, this trend of bigger and bigger smartphones is just going to continue because people are buying these big smartphones, these big sweet sexy screens that are available at on the flagship phones of today, and people love them, and I also love them because I love big screens. And yeah, maybe I have to give up one hand functionality, but that is not a big issue for me. And I'm pretty sure that giving up on one hand functionality is also not a big issue for a lot of other people who use smartphones. And so that's my take on this. Yes, um, uh, those people who already have big screens at their disposal, they would say, what, I need a device with one hand functionality. But not everyone has multiple devices at their disposal at all times, or not even, or even if they have multiple devices at their disposal, they just don't want to. If you are using a desktop, you have to switch on the computer, do you have to boot the operating system, you have to connect to the internet. It's a lot of jazz. But connecting to internet on the smartphone, which is always on, and it's just a click of a button, and the internet is on, and another click of a button, and YouTube is on, and basically I can watch YouTube videos while I am on my bed sleeping. uh, Before waking up and before going to sleep, I can just watch some YouTube videos without any hassle. And I won't be able to do that if I am using a traditional gaming or traditional desktop, or any other kind of device. Any other kind of device is going to be more difficult to handle, much more of a hassle, because you have to boot put basically you have to switch on the computer for connecting to the internet and watching a video. But in case of a smartphone, just a few clicks and you are watching a YouTube video while you are laying down on your bed. So yeah, people love portability. People love the comfort of a smartphone, the comfort that a smartphone provides vis-a-vis other devices that are out there. So my opinion, a lot of people would actually welcome the fact that almost all smartphone companies are now switching to bigger and bigger screens for their flagship phones. And I also am a big fan of huge big screens for flagship phones, because bigger real estate, bigger screen just looks better. That's my take on this. If you agree with me or disagree with me, just tell me in the comment section. And please consider liking this video. Please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances. Please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. And until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.